Hello everyone, I'm just at the shops at Crystal's. It's the gateway to Aria Resort and Casino. If you just look up there, that's the Aria Resort and Casino. That's that big building right in the background. I've not been in here yet, so I'm guessing this is all going to be designer stuff because straight off the bat you get Louis Vuitton. I thought that was the other one there as well. Let's see, we'll just go through here. It's going to be all expensive shops, I think. I'm just on my way to Gordon Ramsay restaurant, Gordon Ramsay fish and chips. So I just thought I'll take a wee quick look around on the way. So it's not going to be an extensive video, it's just giving you an idea. It's almost like being in Gstaad again. For those that don't know, Gstaad is in Switzerland and it is the most expensive town in the world. And so a small place, but it's where the world elite go for their holidays. So we went and stayed there. So if you're interested in that, you can see my other videos of that. I think my videos, I'm getting better at it. So plus it helps I've got better equipment. So my videos are a wee bit smoother. I've just got to work on my presenting skills, which I'm working on. You notice I'm kind of looking at the camera more as I do my videos. That took a lot of confidence, to build up my confidence. I needed to really work on it. I'll just go around here, there's a wee escalator over that side. Van Gogh, whatever, there's some Van Gogh kind of thing there. Harry Winston, not heard of him. Tiffany & Co. There's Gucci in the background. It's a kind of art space. If you like art, you can go in there, but I'm not a big fan of art. I actually saw Van Gogh's Sunflower in the London, what's the museum in London? The National Gallery in London. I have got a video of it somewhere, but I haven't posted it yet. So I've still got a few videos that I've got to post, but I haven't got around to. I've still got some for Switzerland. But I think my channel's just starting, so I'm not expecting big things straight away. I know it takes a while to build up, but I think doing Vegas, I think it's more popular than what we've done. So I'm hoping that when I post these videos that I'll get a bit more notice. Oh, sorry. Thank you. Sorry, I just skipped to front of him there, didn't mean to, but it was a bit awkward. So there we go, there's Louis Vuitton, and there's Gucci. The size of that shop, and look how little they actually have there. It shows they only need to sell a couple of things. I'm not even going to hazard a guess how much it costs. I find the expensive prices of the designer stuff and that, I'm not comfortable with it. Chanel. That money could save lives. You get enough money to buy things like that, you should be donating to charity more. The good thing about some of the casinos here is when you go to cash in your money, say you've got 30 cents, say you get $100 and 30 cents, then you can donate the 50 cents to charity. It gives you that option, which I think's a good thing, you know. Otherwise, if all the wee tickets that don't go claimed, all the wee 50 cents, that just goes back to the casino, you know. Audemars Piguet, don't know what that is. Guess this was like art. Tom Ford, Dolce & Gabbana, Richard Mille, Celine Paris. It's a lovely wee mall. Giorgio Armani. It's a lovely mall, but it's just like a Vegas version of Gestad, I would say. It's like a Gestad promenade. Aye. So that was the Crystal shop, the gateway to the Aria Resort and Casino. Sorry, I'm just reading it from there. So, well, I'm back outside, so I'm going to switch my camera off for a wee bit, let it cool down because it's very hot, and I don't want my camera overheating. So my next video will be Gordon Ramsay's fish and chips. Right, thank you. Please like, subscribe and share, and leave a wee comment. It helps a lot. Thank you very much. Bye bye.